Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kaufman County in north-central Texas, northwestern Van Zandt County in north-central Texas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mesquite, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Terrell, Seagoville, Forney, Kaufman, Kenton, Wills Point, Crandall, Combine, Talty, Edgewood, New Terrell City Lake, Lake Tawakoni, Myrtle Springs, Elmo, Oak Grove, Post Oak Bend City, Oak Ridge, Ola, Alsa, and Jackson. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 486 and 523. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.